Alright, we're boarding by myself because there was a mess up. We made it though. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah! Hello! Embarkation Nation here. We're at 10203 Ocean View. Let's check it out. Alright, let's go in. Whoa, nice. All right, we're right in the front of the ship, and 10203. Let's start in the bathroom. It's nice and cool in here. Pretty good bathroom, if I do say so myself. Nice, nice. Some storage space. Gotta turn this down. Oh, it's cool, and it wasn't even turned down all the way. Yes, all the way. We are penguins here. Let's more closet space. Closet space and a lockbox and laundry security guide, port directors. Yep. We got desk area. It is Chloe's birthday, so we got the add-on to do the happy birthday. It's really cool. We got some cookies. I'm tempted. I'm tempted to eat a cookie, but I think they're Chloe's. I don't want to do that. That'd be neat. Drawer space. Cooler. 2 USBs. 2 plugs. European outlet. I tend not to use those. I don't have a very good luck with those plugs. TV. Pretty decent sized TV. And we are literally at the front of the ship, so we get to see what's in front. Really cool. You got Virgin Wages here. That's a nice ship. I've never been on it, but it'd be interesting to go on. Interested to go on. Really good, decent sized bed. Another cabinet. Cool.
Blast, followed by a long blast on the ship's whistle. Okay. This will be supplemented by the same signal over the PA system. So if you're sensitive to loud noises or have small children, please be prepared. That signal is coming up next.